The biggest difference between Self and Credit Strong in 2026 is how they structure your credit-building loan. Self focuses on smaller monthly payments and flexibility, while Credit Strong offers bigger installment accounts that can create a stronger credit profile on paper. By the end of this, you'll know which one builds credit faster, which costs less, and which fits your situation better. Here's the direct answer. If you want lower payments and a simpler start, Self Financial is usually easier. If you want a larger installment account reported and stronger long-term credit mix, Credit Strong usually has the edge. That's the fast answer. Section 1. Speed. Both work the same at the core. You make monthly payments into a locked account. The company reports those payments to the credit bureaus. That builds payment history. That's the main goal. Neither one is automatically faster because credit scores depend on your full profile. But Credit Strong often reports larger installment balances. That can make your credit file look stronger in certain scoring models. That's where people see the difference. Section 2. Cost. Takeaway. Self is known for smaller starting monthly payments. That makes it easier for beginners. You commit less cash each month. That lowers the risk of missing payments. Credit Strong usually has higher payment options. That means you're locking up more money. It can help your profile look bigger. But it also means more commitment. That's the trade-off. Section 3. Who each one fits. Self works better for first-time builders. It's simpler. The monthly commitment feels lighter. It also pairs with its secured card option later, which can extend your credit-building strategy. Credit Strong fits better if you already understand installment accounts and want to maximize the size of what gets reported. That can matter if your file is very thin. But bigger doesn't always mean better if the payments strain your budget. That's important. Missing payments hurts far more than choosing the wrong platform. Quick recap. Self is usually cheaper and easier to start. Credit Strong can build a bigger-looking installment profile. Both build payment history. The faster option is the one you can pay on time every month. Your next step is simple. Choose the lowest monthly payment you know you can handle consistently. If this helped you compare both credit builders faster, like the video and subscribe.